Hello guys, Phil Swirl here today, back with a video. Today we are doing 15 packs of the new NHL Tim Hortons set. Went out, got myself a double-double, seeing that they're selling these, so I ended up buying myself 15 packs. So it'll be awesome to open this up. Pretty cheap break, can always hit good stuff. Not sure what this year's stuff is, but hopefully hit something cool. It's 3 cards per pack. Looking for redemptions. That's what the big one everybody's looking for. So this is the base. Jake Gensel. And a blue standouts Matthew Barzal. I'm not sure if that's a like a different color of the original. We'll have to see. It looks like it is. It looks like there's probably just normal ones, and then that's the blue version, but we will see. So, Brendan Gallagher. Ooh, this is nice. Franchise duo of Carey Price, Shea Weber, and Max Domi, which Max Domi is on Columbus now, but I assume that's probably one of the cards you want to hit. Usually the one, not the canvas, but oh my gosh. The ones like this that move in the background usually are the ones that sell pretty well. So Leon Draisaitl, these are really nice. Artemi Panarin and NHL Canvas. So it just looks like your canvas cards. Reminds me of UD Portfolio, I believe it was. Like 15, 16. Very nice. Got myself a double-double. Are you guys excited for this? Because I was pretty excited to see that they were selling some cards today. Ooh, a clear-cut Phenoms of Matthew Barzal. So that's our second Matthew Barzal. Nice clear-cut Phenoms. The clear-cuts are generally sell very well as well. But I know the team ones everybody likes. David Perron. And a Patrick Kane and NHL Canvas. Mitch Marner. Nice quick break for you guys. Haven't really done hockey in a little bit, so it's nice to see that Tim Hortons had some packs. Brock Besser. A John Carlson red. And Drew Doughty. These packs don't like to open that well, that's for sure. Jeez Louise. There we go. Shredded that one. Teuvo Teravainen. And a Jordan Binnington Cup winners. He didn't play that great in the Stanley Cup Finals against the Canucks. Oops, sorry about that, guys. The box, I just knocked my box over there. There we go. Yeah, but what I was saying, Jordan Binnington definitely did not play that well in the Stanley Cup playoffs this year, especially against the Canucks. So we got Connor McDavid and shootout experts of David Pastrnak. So it looks like all of them are going to be blue, unless I just got lucky somehow. Oh my god, just shredding. PK Subban, and a gold etchings Nathan McKinnon. All right, we're on our final 5, I believe, maybe 6. We have 6, I believe. So 5 after this. So we got Sean Monahan, Marc-Andre Fleury for the Golden Knights, red. John Tavares in his Toronto Maple Leafs jersey there. It's always going to be weird seeing John Tavares in his Maple Leafs jersey. When I was growing up, he was always New York Islander, so. John Gibson. Ooh, nice. That's a PC hit right there. Quinn Hughes, shootout, or standouts. That is a nice hit for me. So we got William Karlsson and another clear-cut phenoms of Patrick Laine. Is he going to be a Jet? Who knows by this season? Everybody's speculating that he will get traded. Dylan Larkin. And Cup winners, Jonathan Toews and Jeff Carter. So final 2 packs here. So we got Blake Wheeler. Ooh, nice. That's a nice one to get. A Connor McDavid red. Thomas Chabot. And final pack. Tuukka Rask. And Brady Tkachuk standouts. And that's the final card, Kyle Connor. So yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.